All right. Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to Rams on 2. You already know what it is. I'm in the Bronx. It's the early morning Wednesday, April 16th. It's going to be some slight overcast today. 55 degrees is going to be the high. We're supposed to get rain showers this morning, but in the afternoon we're going to be okay. So that means that we're going to be on twos today. So we're going to ride all the way to Queens. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to take a ride from here to Queens. Hopefully I'll run into some other riders on the highway. And we'll just cruise on down. That's the plan. Nothing special. Just a nice little ride. Okay. Hopefully. Now, oh, wait. Let me explain. I'm working with the Rode Wireless Go 2. Yesterday on the ride home, I was using it connected to the Insta360 X4. And I was just using the Rode 2 wireless by itself and utilizing its microphone, and I was picking up, because where I have it set in my helmet inside in the front, it was picking up a lot of wind noise, so I didn't like that too much. So now what I do, I kept it in the same location in the helmet, and I connected a lavalier microphone, a cord microphone to the headset, to the Rode Wireless Go. So now hopefully the audio is coming up a lot clearer, a lot better, especially when I'm riding. So that's the thing. That's my plan. That's what I'm doing today. That's what I want to test out this morning. So let's go. Let's do it. My tires are cold. I need to warm them up a bit. So emergency, some like hard braking here. Someone's coming up behind me, so I can't do it too much. Just trying to warm these tires up a bit. Doing some hard braking. I don't know if you guys know this, but I have the Michelin Road 6s on the bike. It's been really good throughout the winter for me. I'm about to change them. I'm not quite sure when I'm going to change them to. But yeah, the Michelin Road 6s on a BMW S1000RR. I'm not picking up a lot of wind noise. Hope everything's tight over here too. Take it easy for a bit. One thing I realized, like, there's times where you know if the tires are warmed up completely, because you feel glued to the pavement. You literally feel glued, and right now I don't feel all that glued. Not yet, anyway. So windy right now that the wind chill is freezing my chin right now. The wind is just hitting my chin underneath the helmet, and I have a wind guard over here as well. It's not helping. I usually wear a face mask underneath the helmet, but I have an Alpine Stars face mask I put underneath the helmet. I must have dropped it somewhere in the house. I can't find it. That usually helps out a lot with the wind and the cold and whatnot. The tires are starting to grip now, which is good. I'm hoping the mic is working good. I'm also recording, what is it, the 5.7K or 57K, 5.7K or something like that. I don't want to follow that pickup truck too much. It has a bunch of materials in the back. God forbid something comes flying off from the back of it. So a fellow rider just passed me. He has the mic set up too. So windy right now, it's crazy. Oh, there's a state trooper right in front of me. Let me take it easy. drove right past all of this, but you gotta respect the police. They're about to leave right now. You know what that means. This is my cue to take off. Looks like they closed down the right lane. They're doing construction, maybe some bridge construction. So I spot somebody further ahead on a motorcycle. I'm running early for work, so I'm just gonna end up stopping at a McDonald's, get some coffee. That's the plan. Stop at McDonald's, get a coffee. What time is it? 6:51. Astoria, you can make a right on red. F800 GS. It's a dope bike. She doesn't want to look over as a chick riding. Well, she doesn't want to look over and say hi. A fellow biker. Should I even bother coming over here? It's 6:55. Alright, I'm just gonna chill here, have a cup of coffee, and then head on to work. Alright guys, you guys have a good one. Peace out.